Howdy y'all, and welcome to my channel. I created this little machine for building roads in completely autonomously in survival mode or creative mode, whatever. But it's for building roads out of cobblestone, as you can see here. And today I'm going to explain to you how the farm how it works, how each component works, why you might want to build it, and then just some clips of it working. So for right now, I'm going to show you it doing its thing. So if we just hook up this redstone right here, the machine is off now. As you can see, it's moving towards this area, the end station, and you'll see what happens next. No. And then the machine returns. More cobblestone is generated, and then it goes again. So I'm gonna break this here, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about how the whole system works. Anyway, so now it's not gonna do anything because I broke the piston. So anyway, the system works basically by so you have this cobblestone farm down here, and so the farm, of course, it's basic farm, but the thing is, it doesn't have a redstone clock powering it. What powers it is this redstone block here. So essentially, so you'll have these, so when the machine is back at the starting station, that's when it generates another piece of cobblestone. It isn't independent from this. And that means you can control when the cobblestone comes, making it a lot easier to work with and making sure that it doesn't break the machine. And that's how the cobblestone farm works. The second part of the machine is this flying machine. I have a little demonstration up here. It's a self-returning flying machine, which means that as soon as it runs it, so if I launch it, let me see, I'll just use a lever. If I launch it, it'll go on its way, and then when it hits something, it'll return back. These are very useful for lots of things. Of course, our road generation is one thing, but essentially how these work is you have our standard caterpillar kind of flying machine. When it hits this though, there's a weird glitch. You probably heard the trapdoor opening and closing. It wouldn't actually when it hits the thing, the immovable object, in this case a furnace, there's a weird glitch. So the trapdoor isn't actually opening when it's going, but when it hits things, it actually opens, and then this observer detects it, and then it pushes it, and then it launches it backwards, and that's how the machine detects when it hits something, is this trapdoor opening, because it's kind of a weird glitch. There's lots of other explanations on YouTube, and that's essentially how the machine works. You have your self-returning flying machine. You have your little pusher that pushes the blocks into place, and then it moves back and launches it again. So I'm going to explain to you now why you might want to build it. So it's good for servers, it's good for really anything. It's just useful if it could be used for building a nether highway if you wanted to. If you want to just have actually no, you can't really do that because you don't have the cobblestone farm. But you could use basalt. You could replace this with basalt, and then you could build a nether highway with it. It's also used for overworld highways in the sky. It's pretty good for a lot of things. Now, I know you could just place all the blocks, which would be a lot faster than using this machine. But the thing is that this machine, if you have let's say you want to do thousands of blocks away, 10,000 blocks, it's going to be very boring placing this. With this, you could just sit on it and AFK for a while, and then when you come back in the morning, your road will be all complete. I think you could make this a little bit bigger, like you could have a like you could have like a four wide, but then you would reach the limit for this. So if you wanted to like make like if you want to do wider than that, you would probably have to use honey blocks. And yeah, it's basically how it works. I think I'm going to leave y'all off with a nice, like, just kind of, like, just some clips of it working, doing its thing. Like this. Place that. Oh, I messed it up again. Let's do this. It should work now. And if it goes, and yeah, we'll just show you it building its road. Oh. Whew. You could make it a little faster with the repeaters, but I don't know. There is always a way to optimize these things, but I'm just showing off a concept. Anyway, almost there. Come on. You can do it. Very close. I think that's almost, oh, nope. Okay, I think it's just 2 more rows. Okay, I think that's the last. I think that's it. Yep, it's done now. Oh, it's just gonna keep going. Well, this is weird. Huh, I didn't actually test it all the way to here. I'm gonna stop it now. I'd love to see someone build this in like a survival server. Would be a nice addition. You'd have this big roadway across the sky. I'd also love to see one that's like tileable with like honey blocks. Anyway, that's the video. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.